In order to show GPU and FPS graphs on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we need to go to Settings, scroll all the way down in Settings, and we need to enable developer options. So choose About Phone, and then over here go to the software information, and you want to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password. Once you see the information that developer mode has been turned on, you want to go back to Settings, and then we can find developer options. Now here we need to scroll down until we find an option that is called GPUWatch. There we go, here it is. So we can go over here and turn it on. We can of course manage widgets that should be visible on this graph. So for example, by default we have the FPS, the CPU overall load and GPU load over here, but we can press this plus button to find more options. And there we go, this is how it looks like. Leave a like and subscribe.